Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I've been really happy with these little gimbal recessed lights from Ensenior. We got these in a 4-pack and we've been installing them throughout our house because we absolutely love them. It makes it really easy to get custom lighting at home and they're really affordable. So I love that you can point these at the wall or you can point them straight down. You can actually rotate them 360 degrees and have a 90-degree tilt. So you can choose to light from downwards or you can light against the wall. You can highlight a picture. You can do whatever you need to get the perfect lighting. These are pretty easy to install and I think they have a really nice, clean, modern look to them. And they are not distracting on the ceiling. So we just moved into this house that had no lights on the ceiling whatsoever in the living room. So we really wanted to make sure that we got some lighting installed right away, and these were the perfect solution. I think they've really done the trick in making our lighting look absolutely beautiful without being overly distracting. So I would definitely recommend these recessed lights from Ensenior. They are a great find, and that's my point of view.